Fluffy the cat. Blue Ape, who could that be? I don't know. Blue Ape, I'm going to be sick. Aw, it's an adorable cat. It even has a collar on it. Her name's Fluffy. Good. Let's fry her up. No, Doc. That is the most awfulest thing you've ever told me to do. We have to babysit the cat. Oh, no. The last time you babysitted a cat, I ended up doing all the work, and I still haven't gotten rid of that scratch ever since. Look, sir, we just want you to keep an eye on our cat. Me and my family are going on a vacation for a while, and we definitely need you two to keep an eye on our cat. See, Doc, even they want us to keep an eye on the cat. Bluey, we can't just keep doing this every time. Well, Doc, this time it'll be different. I'm guessing you're going to end up doing all the work for the cat just like I did? Yep. I don't think... Rupture! Of course, Bluey. Okay, Fluffy. What do you like? Can I rub your stomach? I can scratch your ears. How'd you like to rub it on the inside, boy? No! You can talk? Of course I can talk. If I can talk and I can move, who's to say I can't do anything I want? Like what? Like the liver pan. Look, cat, would you like some milk? Milk? Ow! I'm lactose intolerant and it comes out the worms. You'll thank me later. Okay, what do you like? Ooh, I like me some catnip. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I like me some cat. Oh, yeah, that's good stuff. Ooh, I can see the colors everywhere. Bluey, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Well, I think so, Doc, but Rick Moranis? I mean, hasn't he retired long enough after years? What, Bluey? No. That cat is addicted to catnip. Who knows? He could be addicted to steroids. Or maybe he could be addicted to berries. What's wrong with berries? Well, some berries are deadly and some berries aren't. Come on, Doc, you're just being paranoid. I'll take care of this. Excuse me, Fluffy. What do you want? I just want to say, don't you want something to eat? What kind of place do you have in here? I'm not really hungry. Well, we do have a perfect science lab that would like to show you. Meanwhile, you know, this perfect vacation ain't so bad after all. Okay, did you make sure you didn't give the cat one of the serums? Well, I kinda did. What do you mean? Wow. Bluey! Fluffy! Bluey, how could you not make sure? I'm sorry! What serum did you use? Oh, I don't know, something green. That's the giant serum! Oh, wow! I'm a green old cat. Who should I attack first? Ooh, I'm gonna destroy the city. I feel Good. Bluey, get the tranquilizing gun. Tranquilizing gun? Uh-oh, you ain't gonna tranquilize me for all that. I'll attack you. No! Bluey, she's hurting me! Wait, hurting? Yes! I said she's hurting me! Wait a minute. It's not hurting, it's hurting! Or is that really how you say it? Oh, come on, Bluey, what do you expect? She's hurting me right now! Okay. Well, Doc, you're saying it wrong. Say hurt. Hurt. Okay, now say hurting. Hurting. Are you hearing this? Yeah. I'm beatering him. Beatering? Yeah. Idiots. Oh, Bluey, don't be so mean. Mean? Oh my god. Doc, why are you just doing that? Say hurting. Why do you keep putting S's with the E and the R? Oh, come on, Bluey. She's hurting me, for Pete's sake. You know what? Forget it. I give up. I'll go get the tranquilizer gun. No, you ain't. Wow, no, she's hurting me. That's what I said. Hurting. Please. God help. We've created Fluffzilla. Wait, Fluffzilla? Huh. I kind of like that name. Yeah, me too. Clever, right? Yeah. But seriously, she's really hurting us. For Pete's sake, dog. Room. You don't know what you done. I'm shrinking. Oh, what a world. Oh, what a thought. Canine like you can destroy my plot to be a giant forever. Oh, finally. She's no longer hurt. Don't say it. Fine. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you. There's a perfect masterpiece going on in the bathroom. Alright. What could possibly be a masterpiece that you just made me? It's okay, dog. I'll get the can in the bag. And now and some duct tape! What do you need duct tape for? No, Fluffy, stop acting like that. Fluffy, stop. No, you gotta get me off the chair. No. You're getting tied up to the chair with a rope, and I'm gonna put duct tape in your mouth and your eyes shut so you won't be able to do anything because you pumped it the sink. Doc, that's very harsh. Hey, that's it. I don't know. So he's gonna be duct tape to the toilet until she stops. And the toilet. Like a big girl. Put this something straight my money right now. No. I'm duct taping your mouth shut. There's nothing you can do. Doc, don't you think you're being a little too rough on Fluffy? She pooped in the sink! I don't know, but she's trying to be... No, that's not trying to be good. She knows what he's doing. She knows what he did wrong. She pooped in the sink! Why? Look, Doc, at least I'm doing all the work that you did last time. Oh, that's true. What a cruel world. What, cruel? Oh my god, we're not going to start this pronunciation thing again. By the way, don't lie to me. What can I do to make it up to it all? Boingo. It's bingo. That's what I said. Boingo. Why do you keep putting S's with the I before the O? Oh, Bluey, you can't just expect me not to. Okay, Fluffy. How were... Oh! Fluffy! How did you do that? You're duct taped to the chair! Oh, you mean the paper towel? What? Oh, well, it wasn't me. It was someone else. Someone came inside here and decided to make a mess of the napkins. Oh. Okay. And there's another surprise for you. Like what? You bumped on the couch! I'm blowing. What am I gonna do? I give up. I really give up. Wait, Doc. I think I have an idea. We're gonna need a bigger litter box. Fluffzilla uses the giant litter box. Oh, it's supposed to be a regular size litter box, but instead it's a giant litter box. See, Doc, I told you it was a good idea. That's not a good idea. It's been getting to her behavior. Wait a minute. Why are you picking that stuff? Are you a toilet? Oh, hey there, Mr. and Mrs. Pickles. Here's your cat back. How was your vacation? Good. Okay. Well, I have something important to tell you. That we're not going to keep an eye on that cat anymore because he pooped. He scratched. He even tried hurting me. Hurting? It's pronounced hurting. I've been telling him the same thing. Oh! Get out! Get out! Okay, Doc. I'm sorry. Good. Oh. Fluff was a giant. She was a giant cat. A giant cat. Bluey, tell them. Actually, it's true. I've been doing all the work, and so has Dr. Trickster. Yes, I even tried duct taping him to the chair. Wait, what? Just to teach you discipline. Just go. Oh, I'm free! I'm free at last! Oh, yes. No more giant cats for this guy. Well, at least we finally took care of him. Her! We took care of her.